Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In that video, we will do integration by partial fraction and I will explain the concept by solving an exercise. The example that I'm gonna do is the integral between minus 1 and 0, minus 1 and 0 of 2x to the power of 3 minus 8x to the power of 2 plus 9x minus 1 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3 dx. Usually I do integration by partial fraction when I have the degree of my numerator, in that case it is 3, is lower than the degree of my denominator. The degree of my denominator is 2. In that integral, it's not lower, it's higher. So what I can do first is to do the Euclidean division. So I divide 2x to the power of 3 minus 8x squared plus 9x minus 1 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3. So now I want to multiply something by x squared to have 2x to the power of 3. And my magic number here is 2x. So 2x times x squared is 2x to the power of 3. But I have to continue. 2x times minus 4x, which is equal minus 8x squared. And 2x times 3 is equal plus 6x. And I have to subtract them. 2x3 minus 2x3 is 0. And here, this minus times this minus is equal to plus. So I have minus x squared plus 8x squared, which is 0. And then I have 9 minus 6. 9x minus 6x is 3x. I have to bring down this minus 1. Now, since the degree of my rest here, my remainder, is to the power of 1, and this is to the power of 2 here, so I cannot continue, I have to stop here. So my integral become integral between minus 1 and 0 of 2x plus 3x minus 1 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3 and all that time dx. Because I have the plus here, I can divide my integral into two integrals. So it become between minus 1 and 0 of 2x dx plus integral between minus 1 and 0 of 3x minus 1 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3 dx. The first integral here, it's easy. This is equal 2x squared divided by 2 between minus 1 and 0. So I will do it at the end. Like this is, it takes 2 seconds to solve it. I will highlight it in order not to forget it. I will do this integral here. So the integral between minus 1 and 0 of 3x minus 1 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3 dx. Here, I look at my denominator and I find it's a quadratic function. Let's factorize this quadratic function. It will become way easier for me. So I know the quadratic function, if I want to factorize it, the solution would be x equal minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula, you studied it a long time ago, a few years ago, and we're going to apply it here. So my first x equal minus b, my b is equal to minus 4, minus 4 is 4, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 square is equal to 16, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 3, and all that divided by 2 times 1, it's equal to 2. So my x is equal 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 times 3 is 12 times 1 is 12 divided by 2. So this 16 minus 12 is 4 and square root of 4 is 2. So my x become 4 plus or minus 2 divided by 2. So my first x, I will take x is equal 4 minus 2 divided by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And my second x is equal 4 plus 2 divided by 2, which is 6 divided by 2, it's equal to 3. So my integral here, my 3x minus 1 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3, I can write it 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 times x minus 3. So that integral is equal to that integral between minus 1 and 0 and between minus 1 and 0. So now let's solve this using the integration by partial fraction. And now I look and I find, like, because it is this, the degree of my numerator is lower than the degree of my denominator. This is why I'm gonna use the partial fraction. So I will take 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 times x minus 3. This is because x minus 1 is a first degree function. It is it's a linear function. It's like to the power of 1. So it is equal to a divided by x minus 1. And this is to the power of 1, 2 plus b divided by x minus 3. If I had quadratic function here or quadratic function here, let's say I have x2 minus 3x or something. Oops. Sorry for that. Let's say I have x2 minus 3x. My b, it become bx plus c if I have x2 here. It's a quadratic. But here I have x1. My b is a b. There is no plus c. I have another video with a quadratic function in the denominator doing partial fraction. If you log into my channel, that's my channel here. There is no space. It's one word, Vic the Math Tutor, and I think it's case sensitive. You will find all my videos. So let's work on this part of my equation. This is equal a. I want to do a common denominator, which is x minus 1 times x minus 3, and my a become a times x minus 3 plus b times x minus 1. It's like addition of two fractions. So this is 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 3. Since the denominator are the same, I can take them out. And I would have 3x minus 1 equal, now I will develop a and times x minus 3, it become ax minus 3a plus bx minus b divide, there is no divided because we get rid of the denominator. Now I will arrange that part. A plus b, I factor out x because it's common in both. Minus 3a minus b is equal to 3x minus 1. The coefficient of x here is 3 and the coefficient of x here is a plus b. So a plus b should be equal to 3. A plus b is equal to 3. And here there is no x. It's a constant and this is a constant. So minus 3a minus b is equal to minus 1. So from this equation, I can find out that a equal b, it equal 3 minus b. Let's write the 3 in the proper way. So now I want to replace a by its value, which is 3 minus b. So I will have minus 3. Instead of a, I can write 3 minus b equal to minus 1. So I replace this a by its value that I took it from here. So now let's develop this. It becomes minus 9 plus 3b minus b is equal to minus 1. So minus 9 plus 2b equal minus 1. And then the minus 9 comes here. It becomes plus 9. I will have 2b is equal, minus 1 plus 9 is equal to 8. So b is equal to 4. I found my b here. Let's find a. All what I have to do is replace b by its value in that formula and I'll find my a. Or I can, it's easier for me to replace it here. I replace b by its value and I find my a. I'm gonna replace it in this formula. So a is equal 3 minus 4, it's equal minus 1. So my a is equal minus 1 and my b is equal to 4. And then I go back here to my integral, that this. So the integral of this is equal to the integral of that plus the integral of this. So you have to add dx here, and dx here, and between minus 1 and 0, yeah? Minus 1 and 0, minus 1 and 0. So I will take that integral and I replace a by its value. So I will have the integral. Let's not forget the first one that we highlighted, between minus 1 and 0 to x dx plus this. So I will write this one plus the other integral. So it is between minus 1 and 0 of 2x dx plus I had the a, which is minus 1, plus the integral of minus 1 divided by x minus 1. I think it's divided by x minus 1 plus b, and b we said it's equal to 4, plus 4 integral of the b is, I took the 4 outside. It should be 4 divided by x minus 3, but 4 is a constant, I can take it outside. X minus 3. And there is dx here and dx there. And you know this one, this minus 1, I will take it outside my integral. So this plus become minus. It's easier. Oops. This become minus. So let's solve this between minus 1 and 0, between minus 1 and 0. So this is the first one, it become 2x squared divided by 2. And the second one become minus ln of 1, ln of x, absolute value of x minus 1. It's a formula. And the third one become 4 ln of absolute value x minus 3 between minus 1 and 0. When you write ln, you always have to write absolute value, because absolute value ln of a negative number does not exist. So now let's solve it. It's between minus 1 and 0. At the beginning, I replace x by 0. Here I have between minus 1, here I have 0. X squared is 0 minus ln of 0 minus 1 is ln of 0 minus 1 is ln of minus 1, but in absolute value it become ln of 1 plus 4. 0 minus 3 is ln of 3, and then I put minus, and now I have to replace my my x by minus 1. So this one minus 1 squared, it become plus 1 because it's to the power of 2, and then minus 1 is minus 2, and absolute value is ln of 2 plus 4 ln minus 1 minus 3 is ln of 4 because it's an absolute value. And that's your answer. We know ln of 1 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0, we get rid of it. So we have 4 here ln, here ln of x minus 3. And we 4 ln of 3 because we replace x by 0. 4 ln of 3 minus 1 plus ln of 2 minus ln of 4 to the power of 4 if you want. So this you can do ln of 2 divided by 4 by 4 here. Yeah, but you put the 1 over 4 here. Anyway, That's the answer. You can do it on your calculator. ln of 3 multiplied by 4 minus 1 plus ln of 2 minus ln minus 4 times ln of 4. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you put like, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.